Hi guys, so good morning and welcome back to my magical world. It's 11:51 in the morning right now. It's Monday, September 8th, 2025, and I believe uh they are celebrating the birthday of our Mama Mary. You know, if you're a Catholic. So, ayan. Um di muna tayo babasa, or we're not gonna do our usual reading session. So, kwentuhan lang tayo, guys. so, 'di ba? Kasi may mga nakikita kong articles like about the flood control and how the politicians are handling it, which is uh, the delay and divert tactics. But a lot of politicians that are seated in the Congress, and I believe Malacanang also have are already involved, or matunog na yung pangalan nila. So hindi ko alam kasi when I'm scrolling, kasi I live in TikTok. I live in TikTok. I'm usually, I'm more active there. So, diba, may mga nagsasabi na um, kasalanan daw ng mga tao, mga Pilipino, kasi hindi daw sila marunong bumoto ng tama. Which is, number one, it's a fact. That is true. Pero, this is not like, what I'm saying to you guys, hindi siya to criticize or to inflict more arguments. What I'm saying, this is just my own perspective, and we are trying to understand what is the root or the factors that are, affecting our present narratives of, about the politicians that are seated. Kasi maraming factor to eh. Not only because hindi talaga marunong bumoto yung Filipino. Why? So, this is a real deal. Hindi sila guys marunong bumoto kasi majority of Filipinos are poor. Usually they are member of, different programs from the DSWD and AKAP, yung mga ganun guys. I hope you know that, or if you don't know yet, at least have that kind of awareness, kasi you really need to understand bakit nagkakaganito yung bansa natin. Okay? So, syempre, ang tendency, hindi pa lang tendency, the truth is our government don't want to fund the education system of our country. Diba? Dinagdagan pa nila ng yung sa senior high, yung 2 taon na I really do think is not really necessary, kasi dito sa Pilipinas guys, college graduate pa rin ang priority nila. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, yun pa rin guys. They only acknowledge that before you enter the field, and most of the time you really also have to have backer, kahit na magaling ka pa. It's a thing that is sadly embedded in our system. So what I'm trying to say is, like, the government really don't want to fund, or they neglect, or they intentionally do not really care about the people. Kasi they don't want to fund the education kasi takot sila that eventually they will learn a lot. Magkaroon sila ng they would be a free thinker to understand, to analyze what is really happening, and to discern what is actually the truth. 'Di ba? Kaya pilit nilang ang totoo nito guys, pilit nilang binobobo yung mga Pilipino. Like, paulit-ulit. So, you really cannot blame. You can blame them, pero the truth is, hindi mo talaga mabiblame yung mga sobrang hirap na that whenever election time comes, they just grab the money or, lulunokin na lang nila yung pride nila, yung integrity, yung buong sarili, just so they could feed their family. Tapos, kapag wala ka guys na, wala kang enough knowledge and education, mababa yung self-esteem mo, hindi mo kayang ipagtanggol, parang kahit anong ibigay sa'yo, kakainin mo na lang, or lulunukin mo na lang, or tatanggapin mo na lang, kasi wala kang critical thinking, wala kang self-worthiness, wala kang self-worth, wala kang, you don't believe in yourself. So, tsaka usually, sobrang malakas ka mag-idolize ng mga political people, celebrities, ganun. Kasi hindi mo naiintindihan that all along, you have the capacity to make the change. And kapag nagkaisa talaga, kaya talagang baguhin, kaya ng mga Pilipino baguhin yung Pilipinas. But, unfortunately, yun nga, na yung sa education pa lang yan, yung sa education pa lang, hindi na maayos. Like, they designed the system to fuck it up over and over again. So, wala na din akong masabi. Basta, wala tayong magagawa. It's a collective shit. It's a collective thing. Kaya nga, I like it. Siguro, para magising yung mga Pilipino. Actually, hindi naman sa I like it. Hindi naman sa ganong notion na parang gusto mo na rin maging masama. Pero, what I'm trying to say is minsan, kailangan mo na talaga lumubog ng buong Pilipinas for you to be awakened. Na, alam mo na hindi porke bayaran ka ng ganito tapos tatakutin ka na pagbutuhan na pag hindi mo to binoto, ganito. Tas, kasi guys, minsan magkukwento ko sa inyong what is actually happening in our local government units. Hindi siya, malala siya. Just like the national that you are hearing right now, ganun din yung nangyayari sa local government units. Like, yung compliance and you have to abide the rules. Kasi sometimes, hindi pala sometimes, most of the time wala kang choice. We always have a choice, but anong gagawin ko? Duwag ka eh. So, ganun. So, yan guys. Na-explain ko lang na you really can't blame. We all want to blame the Filipino people, but hindi mo din ma-blame fully kasi nga ang daming naghihirap na Pilipino. They don't know what to do, what else to say. They just accept things. At yun na yung pinaka-worst when you accept things the way it is. Kasi wala na, tinanggap mo na na gano'n na hindi ka na for improvement tinanggap mo na lang siya, parang pinatalo mo na yung sarili mo, which is hindi maganda kasi hindi naman dapat gano'n. Pwede naman mag-thrive in an environment that is thriving also. So, I don't know what to say guys. Na-explain ko lang kasi syempre, wala naman ako mapagkwentuhan din ba? Kayo na lang. So, ayan. So, yun lang naman yung aking mga perspective about Leyte. Sana maraming managot kasi marami naman talagang involved sa flood control. Kaya nga paulit-ulit nyo. Diba? Kung may mga sasakyan kayo, you are experiencing the shit here in this Philippines, in our country, in the Philippines pala. You're experiencing what I'm saying. Feeling nyo, hindi kayo apektado kasi medyo belong kayo sa upper class, upper middle class, or sa middle class, but actually, you are affected. Yan yung iba na feeling ayaw nila makialam kasi ganito, pero apektado lahat guys. Hanggat nakaapa kayo sa Pilipinas. Okay? Yan. So, in-explain ko lang and I will see you again. Siguro mamaya, magbabasa na tayo. Pag may naisip ako ulit, share ko na lang din sa inyo. Alright? Ingat!